We can write the equation of line k as y minus 6 over x minus 5 is equal to 4/3. Which of the following points lie on line k? Choose all answers that apply. So pause this video, have a go at this before we do this together. Okay, so when we just look at this equation here, they're saying that the slope of the line between any arbitrary xy and the coordinate 5, 6 is 4/3. And if you manipulate it, you could put it into other forms like y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, or standard form. But we actually don't have to know any of that to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we really just have to substitute our x's and y's into this equation to see if it's true. So in this first one right over here, x is 8, y is 11. So I have 11 minus 6 over 8 minus 5. So this is equal to 5/3, not 4/3. So I'd rule that out. Another way to think about it, we just calculated the slope of the line between this point and the point 5 and the point 5, 6, and we see that it is not 4/3. All right, this next one, we'll do the same idea. The y is 20 minus 6 over the x, 16 minus 5. This is equal to 14/11, not 4/3. Rule that one out. Let's do this one. 18 minus 6 over 14 minus 5. This is equal to 12/9. And both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 3, which gets you 4/3. Yes, this one is good. And last but not least, when y is 2, 2 minus 6 over 2 minus 5 is equal to -4 over -3, which is also equal to +4/3. So we like that one as well.